Hi friends, welcome to Good Times. I am going to share you about an interesting topic about our India. Today we are going to see about the seven sisters of India and its only brother. I am sure after watching this video you will definitely visit Northeast India after lockdown. The contiguous states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura are called the Seven Sisters of India. The Northeast India is commonly described as Land of Seven Sisters. Although each state of the Northeast is unique in its own way, there is a great ethnic and religious diversity within the seven states. Northeast India is home to breathtaking terrains, exotic flora and fauna, and a rich cultural heritage. These states are called as Seven Sisters because of the similarity between the states in terms of geographical features. That is, they all have international boundaries. These seven sisters of India are connected to mainland India through the Siliguri Corridor. The Siliguri Corridor, also known as Chicken's Neck, is a narrow stretch of land about 22 km width located in the Indian state of West Bengal that connects India's northeastern states to India with the countries of Nepal and Bangladesh lying on either side of the corridor. Here are some facts about the Seven Sisters of India. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in Northeast India and home to 26 major tribes and 100 sub-tribes. Arunachal Pradesh is well known for its ancient culture and known as the land of downlit mountains, orchid state of India, or the paradise of botanists. Arunachal Pradesh finds mention in prominent scriptures of India such as the Kalika Purana and Mahabharata. Sage Parashurama washed away his sins in Arunachal Pradesh, which was then known as Prabhu Mountains. In India, sun will rise first in Arunachal Pradesh and last in Gujarat. A small town of Dong in the Anjar district of Arunachal Pradesh first witnessed the sunrise in India. Assam. In Assam, we can find the world's largest river island called Majuli. Assam's Kaziranga National Park is the home to the world's largest one-horned rhino population. World's two-thirds of great one-horned rhinoceros are found in Assam. Meghalaya. Meghalaya is most famous for its living root bridges. Rubber trees have strong, flexible roots that are guided across rivers and streams with bamboo, leading to the construction of these bridges. Meghalaya is also famous for being home to Asia's cleanest village. A small village in Meghalaya called Mawling Nong, also known as God's own garden, that is exceptionally well maintained and clean. Manipur. Manipur's Keibul Lamjo National Park is the only floating park in the world. The game polo is derived from Manipur, where the game was known as Sagul Kenji, Kanjai Bays, or Pulu. Mizoram. Mizoram is the leading producer of bamboo in India. Mizoram is the second most literate state in the country after Kerala. Tropic of Cancer passes through India at Aizawl. Puxing Cave is the largest cave of Mizoram. According to legends, it was carved just out of a hairpin. Nagaland. Nagaland and Manipur are the only two states in India where World War II has actually fought. English is the official language of Nagaland. In 2011, Naga Viper pepper was recorded as the world's hottest chili by the Guinness World Records. Tripura. Tripura is connected to rest of India with one major highway, NH44. Neer Mahal is the only water palace in Northeast India. It is built on Rudrasagar Lake. 91% of the land under cultivation in Tripura produces rice. It is the third smallest state in India. We all know that Sikkim is also a part of Northeast India, but it is not included in Land of Sisters because Sikkim is geographically not a contiguous part of the peripheral Northeast region. Sikkim is called as the brother of seven sisters. Sikkim is the second smallest state of India after Goa. Sikkim is famous for highest peak of India, the Kanchenjunga, that is also third highest mountain in the world. Sikkim was an independent country until May 1975 when it was annexed by the Indian Army and merged with the Union of India. These are some of the interesting facts about Northeast India. Thank you. If you find this video useful, like, share and subscribe to Going Times and click the bell icon. Bye.